possible. With every passing batch, the greatness quotient is increased.
P.L. Patel, who got a JEE main rank of 1176.
Hard work and persistence. So a big... These toppers, they don't chase excellence. They attract it by consistently giving their best. And today's event is the test.
Shivram S, JEE main rank 616.
Guest of honor, Shri Vinayak Hegde ji. And
Congratulations everyone.
don't stay back just in case the kid is not around. You can contact us. A big round of applause for their efforts. I'm sure you must be saying for every topper, a round of applause for their potential, a limitless potential. Can we have a big round of applause? These toppers show us that every milestone is a result of determination and just not talent. So a big round of applause, a big salute to their determination and the efforts of their parents as well. It's insurmountable for them. So a big salute to their effort and dedication. Can we have a little more energy from the crowd? To have you in Bengaluru, sir. Most welcome.
Who got the IIT seat but could not make it to IIT because of his financial background then. But later he built a company where most of the IITians dreamt of joining in 90s when they saw dollar millionaires' names in Economic Times, right? So I'm associated with Infosys, and thanks to Alan for, though I'm not a great person myself, but they invited me for this great function. So thank you very much to Alan Management for inviting me for, with a lot of successful people here and a lot of bright students gracing this function today. So there is a saying, knowledge will tell us what to save, skill will tell us how to save, attitude will tell us how much to save, and wisdom will tell us whether to say or not. Why I'm saying this is, I think great institute like Alan, I think thanks to the visionary leader, RM sir is sitting here, for coming up with an institute, All India Institute. I think now they have ventured into other countries as well. Coming up with an institute where they are guiding, helping lakhs of crores of students all over the world today by having the right knowledge, giving the right skill, and building the right attitude and the wisdom. So I think institute like Alan is making a great job, doing a great job in helping students to really become very, very successful and I think really excel in life. So students here, you knew whether you would make it to IIT. They said, we actually came to Alan. It's all about good, better, best. I can see this magnificent auditorium now. So many of you proud students get success in the first those failures and really climb up. It's really made me to work harder, because I think that is more important, because whenever you make it, you feel very happy and I think success is there. But in life throughout, nobody will have success in every as well for the whatever IITs or whatever the best institute so far. But I think congratulations to all of them, because being part of Alan itself is a great success story.
I'm Abhinav. I secured All India rank 80 in the JEE Advanced examination, and I'm in IIT Delhi now. Alan provides us with the best teachers that I could ever hope for. All our teachers are masters in their subjects, and hence with the help of their expertise, I was able to secure good ranks.
I'm 5 in NEET and my AR is 38. I'm currently doing my first year MBBS in JIPMER, Puducherry. I studied in Alan, Chennai for 2 years. This is all possible because of my own effort, my parents' effort, and because of Alan faculty. They were always there to guide me through the entire process, they were always there to clarify my doubts and give me the support I needed to crack this.
Hello, I'm Sagar. I secured All India rank 30 in JEE Advanced. I'm studying in IIT Bombay. Alan has played a pivotal role in my preparation for JEE Advanced. They provided the best resources, the best teachers, and the best environment for me to achieve my full potential and score this rank.
What is your scope in the future?
In the future, I'm not too sure right now, but we'll see. Maybe pursue masters outside the country, abroad.
Alan in 11th grade. I actually don't have much hopes. I was like a 5k rank, 6k rank, anything chalega, and I was okay with any IIT. But then, as I was studying with Alan, I realized I'm actually good at science, and Alan provided immense support, and this gave me confidence to that I can actually get into the top college.
Yadav, Vice President of Allen Career Institute South India Center and Zonal Head. Today we are celebrating SOPAN 2024. In this event, we are felicitating the student who secured All India JEE Advanced good ranks and the NEET good ranks. So all the students who achieved the advanced best rank and medical NEET best rank, they are here and we are distributing the cash reward to them. So for these students, we are distributing almost 52 lakh rupees as a cash reward in today's event. So I have all the students with me, so you can discuss about those. So we can start from here.
Hello all, I'm Shailaja.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Sean Thomas Koshi and I have scored an All India rank of 15 in JEE Advanced 2024 and I'm currently studying in IIT Bombay. So Alan has played a pivotal role in this entire 2-year journey. It's provided an amazing platform, the teachers are amazing, the peer group was great, and even the modules had like so many questions, and it has enough variety to suit anybody, and even the constant tests were allowed me to constantly find out where I'm weak in, and allowed me to retrospect and improve way faster than if I was not in Alan and didn't have that many resources at my hand.
Reddy Jalapalli. I have secured an All India rank of 36 in JEE Advanced, and I'm studying in IIT Bombay. Alan provided a very dependable system on which I could rely on and actually do my JEE journey. The teachers were very helpful and cleared all my doubts and helped me to secure the college I'm in.
What are you going to tell others?
Other students, keep on studying, trust yourself, don't get demotivated, and just keep on studying the base books and the knowledge, and don't worry about the exam marks. The marks will follow.
How is